Okay, guys, so I'm finally trying out the Sexy Smooth Wax Purple Seduction. It's so beautiful. I put a little Glitter Wax Creations glitter in there. But they were so generous to send over a couple bags of this, actually. So I thought that was amazing of them. So thank you guys very much. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to find a wax that I really love, you know. I've been trying out a few different kinds, and I've heard great things about this one. So I got this little double wax pot just to try out different waxes. Also, I got these silicone molds, which are amazing because I have a big 5-pounder, and that was tough. I had to clean the whole thing out, you know, just to try a new wax, and it's like you waste a lot of wax. Luckily, I did put them in some molds and made cute little flowers and stuff out of them, and you can actually just toss them in and melt them down. But anyway, these, you could just pop the wax, like, right out. So these are they're like $10 for 2 of them on Amazon. Anyway, I'm excited to try this. Look at how pretty with the glitter. It's not to temperature yet. It's getting there. So let's test this out. Alright, I'm just going to test this out on the little part of my leg. Right here. Don't make fun of me. I need a wax. Waxers don't wax enough. We're always busy waxing other people. Look how pretty that is. Oh my god. It's so pretty. You can't even see it on camera. Very beautiful. Wow, it dries very fast. That's good. Okay, ready? Look at that. Sorry, let me try to get a better angle. This is hard. It's so pretty though, right? With the glitter in it. I like it. I like it. Let's do one more. All right, let's do one more. Usually my leg strips are way bigger, but this is hard. Recording with one hand and trying to do this with the other. But yeah, that picked up a good amount of hair. And my legs are bad right now, so let's see. It dries really quick, which is great for like a speed waxer. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah. Alright guys, I like it a lot. It dries fast, it's pretty, and the company's great. So, A+ from me. Bye.